buddy. Come on.
Sixth place, Jacob Fisker. Fifth place, Dr. Peterson. Fourth place, Chris Hutchinson. Third place, Dr. Stengel. Your winner, Michael Hurt. And our 159 Division A70.
Come on, Clayton. Clayton. There you go. Ah, of course. Bud, stay in position here. Come on, drop your leg, Clayton. There you go. Hang on to him, Clayton. Come on, Clayton, come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. 3, 2, 1. There you go, Clayton. Come on, Clayton. Stay tough now. Do not send him down. Did he send him down? No, okay.
He let him back up.
Okay. Who said? Clayton fake neutral. It was Clayton Church, right?
Yeah, he let that.
So, because I think Clayton wanted down, Stevie Ray Barnes wanted neutral, so you can do that and then give up a point. Come on, Clayton, finish this, buddy. Actually, stay away from him. Go out of bounds, go out of bounds. Hang on there. There you go, go out. Eat up some clock, go out. So 4-2 now. Come on, Clayton, stay away from him. Oh, there you go!
Got the double. Oh!
25 seconds, come on, buddy. Don't get thrown, Clayton. Yeah, there you go! Good job, Clayton! Hang on, Clayton, hang on.
Third place, Lane Brennan. For runner-up spot.
Yeah! Is he crying?